Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another clothing haul. This time it is with BOOHOO. So they do have a Click Frenzy sale on at the moment, but I'll leave more information about that in the description box as always, and I'll always link the pieces that I share with you guys as well in the description, so it's easy to access if you guys want to shop. But I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I got so many like random pieces. Like I've got some jeans, actually I've got quite a few jeans, some like long pants, some cute tops, accessories, some swimwear, jumpers. I've got like the most random mix of clothes, but I'm just gonna get straight into it and show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so first two things I picked up was this oversized angel tee. I mean, I'm obsessed with angels, so I had to get it. I got this one in a size large. I've actually worn this quite a few times since I got it, but it's just like the perfect like oversized look. If you did want to wear it as like a t-shirt, like loose t-shirt type dress, or even like a slouchy look with some jeans. I actually quite like this trend at the moment, like really baggy boyfriend style jeans with just like loose baggy oversized tees. So I got this, and then these jeans I think are my favorite BOOHOO jeans that I've ever gotten. Like I'm just blown away. I'm obsessed with the fit, although I do think I could have gotten away with a size down. So this is what they look like. So they do have like a stretchy waistband, so they're not like super tight around the waist. So yeah, these are a size 10. I pretty much got everything in a size 8 or 10. Most tops are 8 and then most bottoms are 10, but I'll tell you guys otherwise. So yeah, these jeans are super stretchy. I'll show you guys what they look like from the bottom, because this is the one thing I love about this particular style of jean, the drawstring. And obviously tied up. And the thing I love about these jeans is you can wear them obviously casually with some sneakers, or like pair them with some cute heels. But how freaking cute are these? I love them. Like I said, I probably could get away with a smaller size, but if you like that baggy look, then this is definitely, like it's just a really nice, you know, comfortable size for me. Okay, so I'm low-key sweating already. It's so hot outside and I've got jeans on, I'm trying on jumpers. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I have to have this, even though it's like 32 degrees right now. Okay. This jumper is so cute. Oh my God, I think I might even crop it. I don't know. What do you mean? I love it. It's like a pink velvet and it says baby girl in diamantes, obviously. I think I ended up getting this one in a size, I think 12, actually. I'll leave the sizes down below anyways, but this is so cute, even paired with these jeans. I love it. I actually love this. Oh my God. It's like the perfect tightness, like without being too tight that like you hang out everywhere, if you get what I mean. Okay, wow. I actually love this, even for like over the top of bikinis, because it is quite sheer. I'm not sure if it's like meant to be that kind of look, but the material is kind of like a in-between. I don't know, it's got like that sheerness to it. Like I feel like it's meant to have this kind of look. I'm just wearing like a beige G-string. You can like kind of see it, but not really at all. I actually really, like genuinely like this, and I don't normally like wear tight dresses. I don't know, especially within this material. Like I would just tend to go for a top and a skirt or something like that. But this dress, like I can see myself wearing this. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going in January, but like I'm going somewhere for my birthday, somewhere in Queensland, and I can just see myself wearing this by the beach, by the pool. I feel like it's really flattering because it's ruched. Like along the sides here, so it's not like that like really tight fabric that like you can see like everything, and then like the sleeves are really ruched too. I actually like, I'm dead over this dress. This is definitely my favorite piece so far. Struggling to get this top, oh, it's done up. Thought I needed Peter for a second. Okay, at first I went to go put it on and I was like, okay, this is not giving, because it's not like a stretchy satin fabric, so it's very firm. So I feel like if you did want a more comfort fit, go up a size. This is a 10. I feel like the 12 might be a bit big for me, but it is a bit tight on the arms. So I just thought I would mention that, like it is cutting a little bit, but then like you can't really see it because it's frilled. The skirt obviously is ruched all the way around, and then it comes like ruched in, like towards the center of the bottom. I actually do like it as a set. I feel like I could wear the top with lots of bottoms that I have. Like the top is so versatile and cute. But yeah, obviously it does come in a set, so it does come with the skirt. Okay, so I got 2 bikinis. I got this set, which is a white, and then I just got another top in green because I don't actually have any like bright green bikini top. So this is the white set. I am obsessed. I've got a little try on here. It just sits really nicely on my body. I do normally get a size 12 in bikinis and even like undies because I just don't like when they dig in. It's just super unflattering, like on my body type. Oh my God, I actually love this. It obviously comes with straps, but I just took the straps off because I'd probably wear this strapless. Oh my God, that fits really nice. So I ended up getting a 12 in this one as well, and I'm glad that I did because it fits me perfectly. It also fits my boobs perfectly too. This one does have an inbuilt padding, whereas the other one doesn't. Or does it? Nah. So the other one doesn't have any sort of padding, but this one, oh my God. I like it. I love like how this sits on my chest. So yeah, this is the other one that I got. Like a bright neon green, again in a size 12. Love it. I only just got the top in this one though, so I didn't get the matching pants, but I feel like you could mix and match these with the white bottoms anyways, but that's the other bikini top that I got. Okay, next set that I got was this really nice ribbed chocolate brown set. If you haven't already noticed, I'm obsessed with chocolate brown recently. Like I really want to order this chocolate brown bag that I've been eyeing, but I just don't know. Anyways, so I ended up getting this set. It's like a ribbed set. Obviously, it comes with the crop and then like some booty type shorts. Not gonna lie, I don't normally wear booty shorts, but this as a set in summer is a vibe. I absolutely love it, apart from the fact that I've gotten lip gloss on it. But yeah, it's just like a cute little set. I think I ended up getting this one in a size 10. It is quite tight fitted, so I probably would recommend going up a size if you did want a more comfort fit, especially with the bike pants. Okay, I literally am shook. I just tried on some bike pants. Okay, needs to go down a bit. I did not think that these were gonna suit me. I honestly thought I'd try them on and be like, nah, that's not for me. But there's this thing that's trending right now with this sort of like tie-up look, and I am here for it. So they're like a ruched look at the front. I don't know if they're meant to be worn like with the ruching at the front or the back, because the tag is actually at the back, but I feel like it would make more sense if like the ruching was on the bum, because you know how like when you ruche on your bum, it like makes it look a bit nicer. But either way, I just love, like I love the look of this strap moment going on with like any sort of crop. You could dress this up with any sort of heels, whatever, but like I'm obsessed with these. They're like that slinky, not slinky, but like the same sort of material as the white dress that I tried on. It's kind of like that. It just sits on your body really nice. It's not super tight. I might even see what these look like reversed. Last 2 pieces, obsessed. I didn't get this recently. I got it a couple of months ago, so I'm not 100% sure if it's still on the website. I feel like it would be. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways, because they have the cutest like basic singlet. So this is actually like quite a full type length singlet, but I like to wear it as like a little crop like this. It's got angel written on it in diamantes. Absolutely love. And then these pants are so cute. I feel like I could have gotten away with a 12, like for a more looser fit. Like they are quite fitted. So if you are wanting more of like a comfort fit where it's not super tight, like it feels quite fitted around here, definitely go up a size to what you normally are. Like I feel like, yeah, the 12 would have been a little bit better for me. But again, it does still like do up, but I just like when my clothes are a bit more comfy. And I saw this bag on the website. Sorry, that's Prada. What do you mean? How cute is it? It's that like nylon type material, but like, what? It's so cute. It still has the stuffing in it, just so it like looks full, but I actually really like this. How cute. That's everything that I have gotten recently from BOOHOO. Like I said, they have a massive Click Frenzy sale on at the moment, so be sure to check them out, and I'll leave all the links down below to all the pieces and all the sizes that I have worn throughout this haul if you guys want to check it out. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.